How Tinder works. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to discuss how Tinder works, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Tinder is actually a mobile dating app that allows users to connect with potential matches. To use Tinder, first of all, download Tinder app, sign into your account, enter the current location, gender, age, distance and other gender preferences, adjust your settings and you can start swiping. So to swipe, if you swipe right, it means that you like them. If you swipe left, it means that you ignore them, right? So you might just say no. Now if you swipe them right like this and then they swipe you back in return, what happens is that you are a match, and when you are a match, only then you'll be able to talk to each other. You can't just go about texting random strangers that you see, but if they like you back in return and maybe you like them, now Tinder will not let you know who liked you unless you have got some kind of premium features. But what happens is when you like them, they like you back, you are a match and you can start talking on Tinder. This is the way how Tinder works. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.